Having a company like Geeky Tech was really refreshing for us. A company that understood SEO, was able to communicate with us the requirements for us as a company in delivering an SEO-rich website. But everybody involved with Geeky Tech were focused on SEO and the ability to create content that actually really drive visitor numbers.
The results working with Geeky Tech have been absolutely fantastic. Since working with them, we've refined our keywords specifically for what we think clients are searching for so that clients can find us better. We more than tripled our organic traffic website, so that's really significant. We've been putting out a lot more content and blogs, and we've been able to, from almost 0, get to more than 30 top 1 page rankings in Google as well, which has been really fantastic.
It's really refreshing to work with a company that knows what they're talking about and is willing to help us and explain to us everything as well. Since working with Geeky Tech, our SEO conversions are up by over 100% and our PPC conversions are up by about 70%. And not only are we getting more leads come through, but the quality of the leads is so much better too.
We're now generating leads through our website, which is fantastic for us. We've moved up on the rankings on Google. We're hitting a hell of a lot more first page results than we did before, these are all fantastic things. This is all kind of what we wanted.
The initial results were amazing for us. Straight out of the box with a new website, we saw our visitor numbers jump in the first 6 months by 150%, which led to nearly 300% increase in conversions. Now, what marketer wouldn't want that sort of result?
The day-to-day relationship with Geeky Tech has been great. We have a lot of contact with them. They're very responsive. They provided us with a small team and a point of contact, so that was managed very well in an organized way.
We were given a singular point of contact that we had regular updates with, video calls, emails. We were kept up to date on the whole process, which is, it's fantastic. Really, that's what you want from a supplier and from a partner.
Working with Geeky Tech so far, their knowledge is great and they're even able to sort of understand the technical aspects of our business as well, which is obviously important. And they're always there whenever we need to email them or reach out or jump on a quick call.
The relationship with Geeky Tech has been great. Whenever we've needed support, they've always been there, very easy to communicate with and always available either online or via the phone.
Before working with Geeky Tech, they evaluated our website and rankings, and I really liked how they immediately understood what we do as a company, how we're changing the market.
Geeky Tech introduced us to the opportunity of remarketing, which is an opportunity we missed out on before, and we're able to easily put our brand back out there in front of the eyes of our customers.
The level of detail in the proposal that Geeky Tech sent over to us, really that's why we decided to go with them.
Working with Geeky Tech was actually really refreshing for us, because at last we had a company who could communicate us in a way that we could understand what the requirement is and the reasons why. The real positive about working with Geeky Tech is that having a website that people visit is what everybody wants. You spend ages creating material, updating content, and if no one's seeing it, what's the point?
Geeky Tech have helped us with our knowledge of how important SEO is.
Since working with Geeky Tech, our leads have definitely increased, and qualified leads who understand our product that are sort of approaching us are much easier to sign up. If you can get leads to come to you, inbound leads, rather than trying to find them, and if these inbound leads are validated, i.e. they've looked at your product pages, they've understood what you actually do, then it's much easier to sign them as a client. And all of that sort of pre-work has been very much validated with our SEO.
Before working with Geeky Tech, we were getting some traffic to our website, but we weren't necessarily getting the quality leads that we were looking for, or the particular types of customers that we were looking for, and that's definitely improved since working with them.
Geeky Tech has been great at being on top of the project so that it was delivered on time and I think above expectations.